Welcome to Tech Brothers with Amir. Today's question is, why do we even need SSIS configuration? So that question can be asked when you are going for SSIS interview. So what is configuration? Configuration is the way to make your package more dynamic. So what does that mean? When you are deploying your package from one environment to another environment, the way you can pass the values of your servers, the way to pass the values of your folders, the way to pass the values for your variables, the way to pass the values for your parameters. So in each of the environment that can be different. So you have the way to pass that value to your SSIS package, and that's how your package would run for that environment. So if you do not have a configuration, you have to create different packages for each of the environment and hard code the values according to the environment. So we really do need SSIS configuration. If somebody asks us why we do need it, so let's say a manager or person in the interview is asking you why do you need that, you can answer him exactly the same way. Without SSIS configuration, you are creating a lot more copies of your SSIS packages. Or let's say if you don't create different copies and you just depend upon SQL Server DBA, who is going to create the SSIS jobs by using SQL Server agent, you are creating a lot more work for him. So he has to go and in SQL Server agent jobs and use the configuration from there and pass the values for the variable. That can be very frustrating sometime when he has to pass the connection managers, he has to pass the values for the variables, and sometimes those are not really easy to pass and he make mistakes, and come back to you, it's not working and all those kind of things. So you want to have one central configuration. You can use SSIS configuration table, or you can use file system configuration. That will always helpful. Once you have the setup one time, you can always insert the new configurations, and you don't have to worry with the changes of the packages. Once you are making the changes in the dev, you are moving your package to QA, SIT, UAT, production, you would not be worry about making the changes in connection managers. You will be just testing your package functionality. So that's why SSIS configuration is really important. It reduces a lot of work, and that's one of the best practices as well. Thanks very much for watching this video, and I will see you in next video.